ASNT LT Level 3 Refresher Course Online Complete Course Overview. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. We provide this course. Hello everyone and welcome to URGS International. If you are an experienced leak testing professional preparing to renew, revalidate or strengthen your ASNT LT Level 3 knowledge, then this course is specifically designed for you. Today we will introduce our ASNT leak testing level 3 refresher course, explain its objectives, syllabus, key topics, reference books and how this program can help you achieve success in your ASNT level 3 journey. Whether you are a level 2 professional aspiring to move to level 3 or an existing level 3 certificate holder seeking technical refreshment, this course provides structured, code-based and exam-oriented learning delivered completely online. What is leak testing? Leak testing, commonly known as LT, is a specialized non-destructive testing method used to detect and measure leakage in pressure retaining systems and components. Leak testing is extensively applied in pressure vessels, heat exchangers, pipelines, tanks, aerospace systems, vacuum systems, nuclear components, refrigeration and process equipment. Because leakage can directly affect safety, reliability and product quality. Level 3 professionals are expected to possess advanced technical knowledge and sound engineering judgment. About the ASNT Level 3 Refresher course. What is this course? Let us see this. The ASNT Level 3 Refresher course by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited has been especially designed to refresh core technical concepts and reinforce Level 3 responsibilities according to ASNT guidelines. The course aims to strengthen theoretical fundamentals, refresh practical knowledge, review standards and specifications, improve interpretation skills, enhance technical judgment, increase confidence for ASNT Level 3 examinations. Training objectives. Participants will strengthen their understanding of principles and theory of leak testing, equipment and materials, leak testing techniques and calibration, interpretation and evaluation, procedure development and approval, safety and health practices, examination methodology and level 3 responsibilities. Module 1 Principles and Theory. This module covers physical principles in leak testing, principles of gas flow, pressure differential concepts, selection of leak testing as the preferred inspection method, leak rate fundamentals, sensitivity and measurement concepts. Understanding these principles provides the foundation for reliable leak detection. Module 2 Equipment and Materials. Participants will study leak testing standards and requirements, bubble test equipment, pressure test systems, vacuum pumps, halogen detectors, helium mass spectrometer systems, detector performance and limitations, data execution and analysis methods. Understanding equipment capabilities is essential for obtaining accurate and repeatable results. Module 3 Techniques and Calibration. This section focuses on bubble leak testing, means immersion method, solution application method, pressure change measurement, pressure decay testing, vacuum decay methods, halogen diode leak testing, principles and applications, helium mass spectrometer leak testing, vacuum method, static method, dynamic method. Participants will also understand calibration requirements necessary for reliable testing. Module 4 Interpretation and Evaluation. Topics include leak testing units, sensitivity and measurement, effects of temperature, environmental influences, materials affecting test results, signal interpretation, acceptance and rejection criteria. Special emphasis is placed on evaluating leak indications and making sound engineering decisions. Module 5 Procedures. Level 3 professionals are responsible for procedure preparation and approval. Participants will learn standardized procedures, procedure review, approval requirements, reporting requirements, compliance with specifications and standards, documentation requirements. Module 6 Safety and Health. Safety is one of the most important aspects of leak testing. Topics include general safety requirements, pressure hazards, safe pressure testing practices, safe handling of pressure gases, hazardous gas precautions, monitoring equipment, safety devices. Understanding safety practices ensures protection of personnel and equipment. Module 7 Examination Preparation. This module helps participants understand ASNT LT Level 3 examination format, question patterns, theory-based questions, equipment-related questions, procedure and evaluation questions, scenario-based problem solving. Candidates develop confidence and improve examination readiness. Now complete SNT level SNT-LT level 3 syllabus. SNT-LT level 3 examination consists of 135 questions with a duration of 4 hours. Topics include principles and theory, physical principles in leak testing, gas flow principles, selection of leak testing methods, equipment and materials, techniques and calibration, interpretation and evaluation, procedures, safety and health. Reference books. This course is based on internationally recognized references. SNT Level 3 Study Guide Leak Testing 2nd edition, Non-Destructive Testing Handbook Volume 2 Leak Testing 4th edition, SNT Questions and Answer Book Ball Leak Testing, SNT Questions and Answer Book Halogen Diode Detector Testing, SNT Questions and Answer Book Pressure Change Measurement Testing, Quick Reference Method Cards Leak Testing. These references provide strong technical foundations and support examination preparation. Now, who should attend? This course is ideal for aspiring SNT-LT Level 3 candidates, NDT managers, engineers, supervisors, inspectors, technicians, QA/QC professionals, welding professionals, metallurgists, mechanical and production engineers, asset integrity engineers, RBI inspectors. No prerequisite is required to attend the course. However, SNT examination eligibility requirements are based upon education and experience criteria published by ASNT. Why choose URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited? Industry experienced instructors, code and standard based learning, practical industrial examples, interactive online sessions, comprehensive study guidance, doubt clarification support, exam oriented discussions, flexible learning for working professionals. Now course schedule. Course dates 2nd July to 28th July 2026. We conduct evening classes every month on same dates throughout the year. Duration 60 hours. Mode online through Zoom or MS Team. Class timings evening classes 8:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. India time IST. Daily 3 hours class. This is suitable for working professionals. They can join this class after work. Now at last conclusion, leak testing plays a vital role in ensuring safety, quality and reliability of industrial components and systems. A thorough understanding of principles, equipment, techniques, interpretation, procedures and safety requirements is essential for every SNT LT Level 3 professional. The SNT LT Level 3 refresher course from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited provides the knowledge, confidence and technical foundation needed to excel in examinations and perform Level 3 responsibilities with competence and professionalism. If you are ready to advance your career and strengthen your expertise in leak testing, we invite you to join our upcoming batch. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more professional NDT training and certification videos from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Thank you.